Tasty phrases. Exploring tortellini soup. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious phrase, tortellini soup. This phrase isn't just about food. It's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's unravel the flavors of this expression together. Tortellini is a type of pasta, originating from Italy. It's small and stuffed, usually with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Imagine little pockets of dough filled with tasty ingredients. The word tortellini itself is interesting because it's Italian, showing how English borrows words from other languages. Now, let's talk about soup. Soup is a liquid dish, typically made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables in stock or water. In English, soup can also mean something that is mixed or blended together. It's a word that conveys warmth, comfort, and a mix of ingredients. When we combine these two words, tortellini soup refers to a soup that includes tortellini pasta. It's a hearty, comforting dish. But it's not just food. In English, mentioning a specific dish like this can evoke feelings of warmth, family, and tradition. It's a culinary term that's loaded with cultural and emotional significance. This phrase is a perfect example of how language is deeply connected to culture. Tortellini soup isn't just about the ingredients. It tells a story of cultural exchange, culinary tradition, and the way we communicate comfort and tradition in English. I hope you enjoyed exploring the phrase, tortellini soup, with us. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about culture, history, and connections. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more tasty phrases in our next videos. Stay curious and keep learning.